All right, went through a few tests I found on the central lock module. I think what I found though is right there. That's supposed to be connected right there. That solder is broken. But yeah, so I'm going to give that a quick tap of solder. Other than that, everything's clean. But yeah, the test led to replace the module. But if I can just fix that, that'd be great. I'll try it out. So that was it, yes. Door locks are repaired. It's that broken solder. Okay, it's to final thoughts on this repair. Actually, this reason I didn't need the stuff I ordered. This is a early production e28 that I have. 85s did not have the double lock feature, so that stuff I ordered is, and why it looked different is because that's for the double lock feature. So that is, anybody needs that, I will gladly part with it. And that's about it. I think that's it. That solder repair job did it.